Kliff Timothy Kingsbury is an American football coach and former player who is the head coach for the Arizona Cardinals of the National Football League. During his playing career, Kingsbury held many NCAA Division I passing records and was also part of the New England Patriots Super Bowl XXXVIII winning team from 2003 that beat the Carolina Panthers. On January 8, 2019, the Cardinals hired him as their head coach, replacing Steve Wilks. Kingsbury served as head coach of his alma mater, Texas Tech University, from 2013 to 2018. Prior to being named head coach of the Red Raiders, Kingsbury was the offensive coordinator for Texas A&M University, coaching Heisman Trophy winner Johnny Manziel during the 2012 season. Kingsbury began his coaching career as an assistant for the University of Houston from 2008-2011. Kliff Kingsbury was born in San Antonio, Texas, to Tim and Sally Kingsbury. Kingsbury played high school football at New Braunfels High School, where his father, Tim, was head coach. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.